Moya Living in Fountain Valley today to interview Wynn O'Neill, one of the founders. Most importantly, we'll also be interviewing Darby, this amazing dog. Wynn, give us a little history of Moya Living and how you've progressed from the industrial background to residential.
Happy to. Let's get rid of the dog first. Very heavy.
Bye, Darby.
So thank you, Annette. We're very excited today to have Annette and PIRCH here to introduce our indoor-outdoor kitchen and bath line. So for 40 years, we've evolved from an industrial manufacturing facility building steel laboratory furniture. Customizing residential is something that we have wanted to do for many years and now have implemented it and going with PIRCH.
And I believe that when I met you, the three main tenets stuck out to me were customization, quality, and color, all the various colors you have to offer. So just speak to that.
Well, customization is obviously what we do best because of the fact that we can do everything in-house, actually take a product from
a really basic cabinet line to something that somebody dreamed of.
Thank you, you said that perfectly.
Yeah.
Because that's what we're offering. We're not a standard line, we're a custom house. And the thing that what most people like to see, which is the powder coating, and the most important thing in powder coating is that we can offer many different textures. We can do the mattes, the glosses. And these are what people want color right now.
And so what's so exciting to announce today is that PIRCH and Moya Living have partnered up. Moya has been selected to create 4 vignettes at our showrooms with GE monogram, and we've been designing them over the last few months, and they will soon be installed. So we can't wait to show them to you. What we get to see today is all of the factory and how they create this incredible quality product. So come along with me. So we're at the entry of Genie Scientific, and this is really where it all began. So I'm going to let Wynn talk about the beginnings and take us through the building and show us all the cool stuff, the insider stuff that you never get to see.
Very exciting, thank you, Annette. So follow me. One of our modelers here is Giovanni. Right now he's working on a project.
So this is one of the vignettes that we've been working on for the showroom.
Thanks, Giovanni. So what we have here is our CAD department where I guess everybody's at lunch. We have three persons that do our CAD and SolidWorks. And from that, they do all of the modeling. And
it's all right, I can play the part.
There you go. Keep it moving.
Yeah, I can design anything.
And from here, then it automatically goes out to the shop. Hi, so here we are now looking down at the factory. So what you're seeing is we have brakes, shears, punch press, everything CAD operated. This is how we can customize. This is how we can get you what you want. So you tell us what you want, we can design it and build it. As you can see, a lot of products on the floor right now. A lot of bends, all cold rolled steel. And what we do is we have it's got a texture to it, which is it's like a galvanized and it has a paint lock to it. So when we paint it, we don't have the issues that you could possibly have from other factories. And there's the dog wanting something to eat. Must be lunchtime.
Darby. All right. So I think what's really amazing is there's a lot of hand assembly and
yes,
truly craftsmanship that's going on in this factory.
It's a great point. I mean, there are factories that are fully automated that just push the same product out. Obviously, that's not us. We are a smaller, mid-sized factory that we only do so much, and it's all custom.
And that's really going back to those key points.
Correct.
Is why you're able to put together dream kitchens, baths, and outdoor for people, because one size definitely doesn't fit all for everyone.
Certainly doesn't. And I like the fact you said dream kitchens. Yeah, so we're looking right now at our welding department. We have 3 welders and 3 stations. And as you can see right now, they're doing some welding. Everything is welded, ground, and then painted to color.
Wynn, can you talk to me about the sustainable story with Moya Living and
sure.
You know, that?
Sure. Well, Why don't we just begin with this dumpster? As you can see, everything that we do gets cut, and then it ends up in the bin, and then it ends up at the smelter where they'll melt it down, and we can do this whole process over again. So as sustainable, there is nobody that has a product that's more sustainable than what we have to offer.
So you truly use it, and what you don't use, you melt, and that goes right back into the next piece of amazing cabinetry that you're creating.
Correct, and all made in America.
Excellent. Hey, Wynn, can you hire me? I'm ready.
So here's a new hire. We're testing her out. We got to get her a hard hat though. She's not legit right now.
Sorry, Perch. It's really fun here.
A lot of toys. So, follow me.
This is the fun department. I see some cool colors. Avocado, white, sparkle bronze. I think that's my favorite. Talk to me about color.
All right, so obviously we're working in powder coat. Colors are endless. And often people want to try to match color as well, which we can do. It's not just a standard color, and as you can see, we have a lot of different varieties.
So you can mix up anything, and then you put it into a device, and then put those metal sheets through.
Which we're going to show you here shortly.
Excellent.
That's
Can't
next.
wait to see it.
What we're looking at here is product that's getting ready to be powder coated.
This is how it starts. This is just flat, ready to be painted.
Correct.
Right?
As you can see, everything's steel. So when you saw the welders that they did, the sanders do what they do. You get a product that looks like this. Once we put all the doors and drawers together and then powder coat it, we'll show you the finished product here shortly. So we have our powder coater right here. He's working right now. It's an electrostatic process. So he charges the metal, and where the powder then comes out and attaches itself to the metal. The strength of the powder itself is amazing, built to last. Once Pedro is completed with that process, he hangs it, and then he sticks it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Normally Annette puts her cookies in like that, but today we're cooking metal.
It's like a giant steam oven. It seems like the employees here are like family. I imagine you've had many employees work for you for many years.
As you can tell by all of our ages, we've all been here for a very long time.
That's wonderful. I think that's really what makes Moya Living and Genie Scientific so special.
Thank you.
It's truly a family.
Thank you. Let's take a look at some finished product. So Bobby right here is putting the product together. He's making sure the drawers fit properly. He's a genius at this.
So that's been painted, and then here they're actually attaching all of the glide rails and the fittings so that they operate.
This is actually putting it all together before wrapping either a blanket wrap and or saran wrap, depending on where it's going to go, to make sure it arrives safely.
Okay, so this is sort of an assembly and a quality check all in one.
Completely.
Exactly. Wonderful. I imagine you've kind of gone through a number of different ways to package and figured out the safest way to get it to the client.
That's a very good point, because if it doesn't arrive properly, and then if the installer doesn't do it properly, it all comes back to us, and then it doesn't work.
Right.
So, yes.
Yeah, you can really tell. I mean, they have rigid corners of foam, thick plastic going round multiple times. It's truly been tested to make sure.
So, I want to show you our outdoor line. This is a stainless steel, powder coated stainless steel product. We offer all of the same things that you would get with a indoor line. So basically that's the tour. Thank you, Annette. We really do appreciate you guys coming out today and to see what we do here at Moya Living.
It has been such a pleasure. I truly know that when I met Moya and Wynn, I had made the right choice in introducing them to PIRCH. They are great human beings. They are wonderful business people, and I can't wait for all of our customers to meet them, come to their showroom, and choose their amazing products. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.